Okay. Can we start with the audio? Because now I'm satisfied that all members want to speak. Who is responsible? Did we receive the link? Okay, let's have the audio playing.
No, Tina says we're not satisfied with the investigators.
Obana bangekho satisfied with the investigators.
Tina.
So, as Mr. Chauke, you were not satisfied.
We're not satisfied. So we requested them. They must be changed and get another team, and that's what happened.
You know why I'm asking, Mr. Chauke? I'm asking because the older team came at home and explained themselves. We understand which we are this team.
Yeah. Who were those who came?
First, it was Gininda and them, and then the Gininda with Teleze, I think we understand. So naturally, we are now confused with who are the actual people who are who are the actual people in the case, you understand. But I'm glad what you are saying, which you are not happy with are you not happy with umsebenzi wobuthelezi no Gininda, that
the people to say this is the person who committed the offense.
okay.
And in that case, the people in the house will discover that all they are liars.
Okay.
So we needed to do those investigations. The police still have to go back to the people and say, look, I'm a story now, and most of things.
Okay. So
which Buthelezi and Gininda
yes
did not do. You understand?
Okay.
Now, you need to have experienced policemen who go there and reassess these people to say, no, look here, this thing. Remember, they lied initially about Bakomba, Umunyumfana, Wamakawashi, Lapana,
okay. Yes.
Which is which was the innocent story and all sort of things.
So
they need to go back to them to say, look, we don't buy the story that there is somebody who came from around coming to commit robbery and whatever.
So according to you, Mr. Chauke, you are mhlambe ngingasho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi you are saying ukuthi there's no one who came in.
Our theory now, from where we're sitting,
yes,
we suspect that the shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Okay.
Not that because umuntu from somewhere as a commit a robbery and Hello? What is this? Hello?
Yeah, yes, no problem.
What I'm saying,
yes,
Mayor, is the following.
Yes.
From our assessment, when
yes,
we read the statements and the
yes,
people there,
yes,
we don't think, and there is somebody who came from outside that who's a robber.
Okay, yes.
It's a nonsense story. There's nothing like that.
There's nothing like that.
Yeah. We suspect that the shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Okay. So
this is what this crack team must go and
they must put this theory into, yes, and then from there what will happen?
No, once they've identified who is what, they would have to arrest that person.
So now I'm a suspect and as a dictator.
I'm a suspect. That's why I get it. From our theory
as ENPA.
Yeah, we think.
Okay.
There is no suspect who came from anywhere.
Yes.
The shooting happened amongst the people inside the house.
Yes. So this new team of Carros and Knight, do they have to prove that? And then from there,
They will be in a position, the prosecutors will be in a position to decide and say, look, this, the chapu must be charged, but this one is an accessory like that.
So Carlos no Naito basebenza na yipi prosecutor mawukuthi basebenza ne prosecutor.
I'm not so sure. That's why I get to go. These documents were taken about 2 months ago.
Okay.
And then the national office of Mzinyathi no Shamila, they are going to decide.
So uShamila kumele decide ukuthi
which
the
office
prosecutor
yeah.
and which office must. So uShamila ngayenza kanjani appointment na ngoba you know this thing ubaba useshonile ogogo nabo nami I don't know what is happening and mhlambe ngayenza kanjani appointment no Kehla Sithole or uShamila.
You see
So
what is happening?
Yes.
Mayor.
Yeah.
I just do not have the contact details of the police. I expect them that they will come to the family in terms of them being the new investigation team. So
okay.
If I had the numbers, that's why I check office file and see if we now our contact number so that we can give them to you and then
yes.
you can phone.
Can I mhlambe wait for her ukuthi check any number Carlos no.
Mameki, that file you sent to me, do you still have it here? The file.
JJ, yeah, office file.
Yeah.
You go JJ.
And it's not answered.
And Urmela's message I have on a missed call. I can't talk now. I think he's in a meeting.
Yeah, I think so. I think they said they were supposed to attend a meeting in Pretoria.
Which fella can't talk.
But maybe what we should do is try and see if we are able to trace the file either in his office or from.
Or maybe
the
I
guys,
can come back
and then-
tomorrow
and-
if
and
you
then-
guys
and then-
don't mind.
So that we can give him the telephone numbers of those
Gas
policemen.
Sithole and the police.
Bana bathola 30 documents.
Those who came, yeah. So I think maybe their numbers should be
So-
in the office file.
Okay, you can right now sit in my office and then
Yeah.
I'll go and try to trace.
No, I don't mind. I can come back. Maybe I can stay a day
Okay.
or come back tomorrow. Mhlambe, I don't know if go to JJ lo corner or because I just want to meet mhlambe uSithole if possible because kumele ngithi mangibuyele ekhaya emndenini ngibuyele ne.
No, it's fine. That's what I'm saying. Let me check. If I can't trace it, then we'll make another day. Maybe use as access. So I'll go and check in his office if he didn't leave it there.
It will get the telephone number.
Okay, no, ngicela ukusala sesixoxa nobaba while you are checking.
Hello? Hey. Absheni. If tricycle mjani. Eh. Yeah, takwini. Eh. Hey. Eh.
Okay. I think we should have come to the
Yeah.
end of the audio, isn't it? Who are the people in the audio?
Sifiso Miwa sent me the audio. He said is his cousin, and Advocate Chauke, who was the Gauteng DPP.
What is the name of the cousin?
Siabonga. Is it Siabonga Miwa?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.